CSS has a property called width that controls an element's width. This can apply to almost any type of element, like an image or a div or a paragraph. And we're going to create a style that can make a larger image. So I'm going to create this called larger image. Now that's only going to apply to an element with the class larger image. And I'll put width to be 500 pixels. So if we have anything with the class larger image, it will make it larger. So I'm going to actually add that to this image here. I'm going to put class equals larger image. So if we look in the browser here, we should see that the image is very big right now. For this challenge, we're going to make a smaller image. So I'm just going to actually just change this to smaller. And instead of 500 pixels, we're going to make this 100 pixels. And I have to apply the smaller image class down here. So if I open the little browser and refresh, now it's just a tiny little cat, a cute little cat right there on our page.